Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the McDonald's signature McWrap chicken and bacon with crispy chicken. So, come on in with no chicken sauce, no tomato, but it's good still with it. I just like a little bit less mayo sometimes, but this wrap is delicious. It's like the number one thing that I get at McDonald's because it's, I'm not gonna say healthy, healthier. So you got, it looks like they use the chicken burger now and cut in half. They used to have chicken strips for this. I don't know, maybe they just ran out and they just decided, hey, screw it, we'll give this guy this. It's got lettuce, bacon, and some cheese on it. I don't know if they put the cheese on it either. Wow. So that's an unfortunate thing about going to McDonald's is they will oftentimes get the order wrong. Especially the one that I go to. I feel like every single one of these videos that I've done, they haven't gotten it right. Even if it was basic, regular, the way it comes, it's still something messed up on it. I don't know. Just my luck. But we got a different chicken patty here. McDonald's, if you're watching this, I don't know, please help brother out. I haven't gotten my right order from there since 1996. So, yeah, we'll get into this. I was hoping to give a good video review of this because it's my favorite. I got one of these before and they did something similar. They completely made it different. And I was like, okay, I'm not going to do a review, but you know what? I think it's like third time's a charm now. I'm going to try it and we'll give you my review on it. So it's a crispy chicken burger patty, cut in half. You know, it's still pretty good. There's something about chicken wraps that are delicious. Got a nice cardboard paper straw here. Show you the environment. My Diet Coke. McDonald's Diet Coke does hit though. They don't mess this up. But I have received normal Coke instead of Diet Coke and even root beer before, so I don't know. But still pretty good. The cheese that usually comes on this is really good. Like a spicy Monterey Jack. Fortunately, I can't comment on how it tastes right now because I forgot it, but that's okay. You know, chicken, lettuce, and bacon, it's still fine. They wanted to be a little healthier for me. That's what they were doing. They knew the holidays are coming, there's gonna be higher calorie foods around, so you know, they're just helping a guy out. I'll put it that way. All in all, still pretty good. With the different chicken, no cheese. You know, it's so good. I hope you guys don't feel my disappointment here, but try to make the most of it. Yeah. I love iceberg lettuce, so good. I'll have one more bite of my, can I still call this a wrap if it's missing cheese and has a burger in it? This burger and a tortilla. I'll finish this up and give my review. We'll have to redo this review sometime. Yeah, so all in all, even though this is not correct, it's still good. I love the wraps from McDonald's. They don't make you feel gross about getting them because it's not like a burger with a bunch of sauce and all that on it. It's still pretty decent. So if this was made the way it should have been made, I'd give this like a 8.5 out of 10. But the way it currently is, I'll just leave it at that. I like it 8.5, usually what I give it if it's made right. Yeah, it's pretty good. McDonald's, you know, the wraps are pretty decent. They're healthier for you, and they're pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next video.